Hey everybody, it's Will Murphy. Welcome to day 3 of Prolight Sound 2018. This is the grandMA3 launch week, as you know. I hope you're getting some nice feedback from the people that have been visiting. You can see the booth is busy. I mean, it's only been 2 minutes since the doors open. There's already people on the booth now. What I noticed in the last couple days, we had a lot of questions about the knobs in particular. You know, what are the ideas that you can do with the knobs? What are those things? So I really thought I'd take a minute here to actually show you what those knobs can do, just a couple ideas. Be right back in just a second and show you an example of those knobs. Hey guys, as I said, I wanted to show you some ideas about the executor knobs. We had some questions about those. So for example, you could do rate, you could do speed, and a really cool one is you could do cue fast forward and fast backwards. So I'm actually showing this in action right here. I've got a cue list that's running with my three knobs. You see the cue list is running really quickly. Rate actually controls how quickly those cues run. So I'm gonna turn this knob down so the cue list starts running a lot slower. Now at the same time, we have a phaser running across this cue list. So if I want to speed up the phaser, I'm going to use the speed knob in this case. So you see the phaser's going a lot faster. And then if I need to actually manually jump through my cues, I got my third knob set up for fast forward and fast backwards, so I can just step through cues as I rotate my knobs. So there you go, there's a few examples of what the knobs can do, plus more.